Welcome to Digital Gold Analytics. Is Bitcoin on the verge of a breakout? That and the complete Bitcoin update. If you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe. And remember, nothing I say is investment advice. According to renowned technical analyst CryptoCon, Bitcoin is on the verge of a bullish breakout. CryptoCon believes that it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin starts to take off. He also said that it feels wrong to be bullish on Bitcoin right now, but now is the time. If you wait till everyone else is bullish, it will be too late. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin's price has experienced a slight 24-hour loss, floating around the 27,000 mark. The momentum seems to be building though, and Bitcoin may even attempt to flip the 27,300 resistance level into support in the next 48 hours. Taking a closer look at the Bitcoin daily chart, we can see that the price is currently finding support around the 100-day moving average. However, technical indicators suggest that there is a possibility of a Bitcoin price slump right before we go up. 5 things to look for in the upcoming week. The first is Bitcoin's trading range. Bitcoin's price range remains in a narrow trading range, causing frustration among traders. Despite the fact that people are waiting for a correction, the market is dealing with a tiny active trading range lacking any significant movement. Liquidity is available both above and below the current price range, but there has been limited action so far. Bitcoin is experiencing an unusual state of events, acting within a range of only a few $100s. Traders are on the sidelines waiting for cues, as even the remarks for the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell failed to shift Bitcoin's price in any direction. Number 2 is the potential for macro surprises. In the upcoming days, there's a potential for macro surprises, but analysts believe it will take a significant data or events to break Bitcoin's trend. On-chain signals suggest consolidation period before the rapid gains seen in the first quarter of this year. Number 3 is liquidity and support levels. Bitcoin's liquidity is concentrated just below the 27,000 mark, with long and short liquidity waiting to be tapped. A move to 25,800 could trigger a cascade effect with a higher likelihood of price action. Bitcoin needs to break and flip the 27,200 level to regain sustained momentum. Number 4 are macro factors. The release of economic data such as the PCE index could reshape market expectations for interest rate changes. Number 5, the FOMC. The FOMC minutes and the US debt ceiling debate are additional factors to look for. You're going to have to watch out for all of these 5 events to see which way Bitcoin's price is going. Next up, we have the We Hate Crypto news. Biden emphasizes that he won't agree to a deal that protects wealthy tax cheats and crypto traders while putting food assistance at risk. Biden has proposed spending cuts and new revenues to reduce the deficit, but he calls on Republicans to move from their extreme positions and to find bipartisan agreement. Am I to believe that they don't know what to do with the debt? I mean, none of this makes any sense to me whatsoever. And we're just sitting here like pawns, just waiting for the same news that we hear every 4 or 5 years to unfold and to pretend that we're near the end of this cliff. And it seems like they always want to take a random cheap shot at crypto. What they're doing now has nothing to do with crypto at all whatsoever. The debt ceiling has nothing to do with crypto. But what they want to do is make sure potential investor who may be looking at crypto as a haven from the bank industry are afraid to put their money there. In related news, the UK MPs call for regulating Bitcoin as gambling, proposing stricter rules for unbacked crypto assets and increased public protection. The Treasury's committee report recommends regulating crypto as gambling and regulating unbacked crypto asset activities by the UK government. Concerns about consumer risk in the crypto asset industry are emphasized, calling for effective regulations to protect consumers and support financial service innovation. Some MPs suggest applying financial services trading regulations or gambling regulations to crypto. The report states that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have no intrinsic value and serve no useful purpose and are used for criminal activities, like cash is used for criminal activities, and everything else can be used for criminal activities. Saying that crypto has no intrinsic value is a simplistic perspective. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin may not have tangible backing like some traditional currencies, they possess value derived from factors such as scarcity, utility, and market demand. Derivatives have no intrinsic value. They're not really backed by anything. They're just bets placed on an asset that is backed by something. So to say that crypto is not backed by anything, it makes them sound ridiculous. Technology of the underlying cryptocurrencies like blockchain have potential to revolutionize various industries and enable new financial solutions. The belief in the value and the potential of cryptocurrencies by investors and enthusiasts contribute to the market value. So dismissing crypto's value based solely on its lack of physical backing overlooks the broader dynamics and the potential of the emerging asset class. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.